Welcome to the 2026 Habit Tracker tutorial, the ultimate spreadsheet for setting and staying on track with your goals. Let's jump right in. When you first open the tracker, you'll land on the Read Me First tab. This is your starting point. It includes everything you need to know: how to download the file, important notes, and a detailed guide of how to use each tab. There are even screenshots to help you visualize the setup. A few quick reminders when filling out this tracker: only edit the white cells. If a cell is colored, it means it contains a formula calculating the value or is pulling data from another tab. And if you're using Google Sheets, make sure to go to File and select Make a Copy before you start editing. This way you'll have your own version you can edit saved to your drive. Now let's head over to the Setup tab. This is where you'll enter your daily habits, monthly goals, and annual goals in one place that automatically flow throughout the tracker. Start by typing in your daily habits in the first column, then set your monthly goals broken out by month, and finally add your annual goals by category. If any of these categories don't quite fit your needs, you can easily change them by clicking on the category name and typing in a new one. Last but not least, select the year you're tracking your goals and habits in the year dropdown at the bottom of the tab. Once you select the year, the entire tracker will automatically update. Calendar dates, monthly tabs, everything based on your selection. This is a huge upgrade because in the past, the tracker was locked to a single year, but now you can reuse it year after year without having to rebuild anything. Just pick your year and you're good to go. Next up is the calendar tab. This is where you can track important dates for the year or deadlines related to your goals. All you have to do is enter the date in the important dates table, add any notes, and the date will automatically be highlighted in dark blue on the calendar. If you need more space for dates, you can unhide rows 30 through 201 to extend the table. Let's move on to the annual goals tab. This is where you'll track all of your yearly goals you set earlier in the setup tab. As you complete each one, check the box next to it and the progress chart will automatically update. You'll also see a dashboard on the right side of the screen that shows a progress bar for each category's goals and a pie chart that breaks down how your goals are distributed by category. Next up are the monthly tabs. Each month has its own tab, and this is where you'll track your daily, weekly, and monthly goals. The daily habits you entered in the setup tab will automatically appear here, so all you have to do is check them off as you complete them each day. As you complete your daily habits, several charts will update in real time. You'll see a daily progress column chart update to show progress for the day, a weekly progress bar to show progress for the week, a monthly donut chart to show progress for the month, and finally a line chart at the top that visualizes how many habits you completed each day. If you don't see all of your habits listed, just unhide rows 27 through 38 to expand the table. If you have habits that only apply to specific months, you can add them directly to that month's tab instead of the setup tab. For example, if you're doing dry January and want to track no alcohol just for that month, go to the January tab and just add it to the bottom of the daily habits list. And here's another cool feature. If you don't want your monthly tracking to start on the first of the month, you can customize that too. Let's say you want your January tab to start on the 4th because that's the first Sunday of January and you want to track based on the work week. All you have to do is select the first date cell in the tab, enter 1/4/2026, and that's it. The rest of the dates will automatically update to follow that pattern. Below the daily habits section, you'll find your monthly goals you entered on the setup tab. You can check them off as you complete them, and the monthly progress bar will automatically update. Lastly, you can track your week-specific goals for the month by entering them in the weekly goals tables. Check them off once they're complete and watch the weekly progress bars update. Each tab also includes insights on the right to help you understand your performance. You'll see your top 5 completed events, your longest streak of the month, and your current longest running streak. The important dates table will automatically pull in any important dates you entered on the calendar tab, and the notes/reflections table allows you to record any notes or reflections for that month. Finally, if you scroll down to the bottom of the tab, you'll find detailed stats on your daily, weekly, and monthly progress. Finally, we have the dashboard tab. This is your all-in-one summary of everything: annual goals, monthly goals, weekly goals, and daily habits. It automatically updates as you fill out your tracker, so you don't need to edit anything on this tab. You'll see a table of completed annual goals, a breakdown of daily habits by month, and a dashboard in the center that visualizes your annual progress. The dashboard contains monthly habit progress bars at the top and an interactive summary that shows your goals or habits completed by month at the bottom. Just select any value from the drop-down, and the chart will automatically update to show your total completions versus your goal goal amount for the selected time period. On the right side, you can drill down into specific months using the drop-down menus. For example, if you want to see how February went, just select February in both drop-downs and you'll get a full summary of your monthly and weekly goals. There's also a top-tier months table that calculates which month you completed the most habits and which month you crushed the most goals. And that's the full walkthrough of the 2026 habit tracker. I hope this helps you stay focused, stay motivated, and make real progress towards your goals this year. If you haven't grabbed your tracker yet and want to start achieving all your goals, check out the link in the description below for a discount.